Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Dollar ends slightly higher on U.S. fiscal stimulus hopes analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID C1A1028112022 35:6 AM market review 10/08/2020 NBSP 2347 GMT NBSP dollar ends slightly higher on U.S. fiscal stimulus hopes. The greenback went through a roller coaster ride and ended slightly higher on Monday on hopes that the Democrats and Republicans would reach a deal on stimulus negotiations amid U.S. President Donald Trump signing an executive order on Saturday to support country's economy. In the meantime, NBSP Reuters reported President Donald Trump signed executive orders on Saturday partly restoring enhanced unemployment payments to the tens of millions of Americans who lost jobs in the coronavirus pandemic, as the United States marked a grim milestone of 5 million cases. NBSP also, U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin on Monday said the Trump administration and Congress could reach a coronavirus aid deal as soon as this week, but Democratic aides said the two sides have not spoken since talks collapsed last Friday. NBSP with negotiations at a standstill, it was unclear whether Democrats and Republicans would be able to bridge their differences to provide relief to workers, businesses, and local governments that have been devastated by the pandemic, which has killed at least 162,000 Americans. NBSP versus the Japanese yen. Although dollar retreated to 105.73 in Asian morning on fall in U.S. Treasury yields, price erased intraday losses and later rallied to 106.19 in Europe on safe haven USD buying due to US-China tensions, but only to drop to session lows of 105.71 in New York on renewed USD's weakness. Later, the pair recovered to 105.97 and then moved sideways. NBSP Although the single currency moved broadly sideways in Asia and edged up to 1.1801 at European Open, renewed selling interest emerged and knocked price down to 1.1741 on safe haven USD buying before staging a strong rebound in tandem with sterling to 1.1791 in New York morning. However, the pair then dropped to session lows at 1.1737 and remained under pressure on USD's strength. NBSP The British pound went through a volatile session. Although cable retreated from 1.3067 to 1.3041 in New Zealand, price rebounded to 1.3075 in Asian morning and then gained to 1.3088 Reuters in Europe on cross-buying in sterling before falling to session lows of 1.3020 on USD's strength. However, the pair then rallied to session highs at 1.3103 in New York morning and then weakened to 1.3062 on profit-taking. NBSP data to be released on Tuesday. NBSP New Zealand retail sales, UK BRC retail sales, claimant count, ILO unemployment rate, employment change, average weekly earnings, Japan current account, trade balance, Economy Watchers outlook, Economy Watchers current, machine tool orders, Australia NAB business condition, NAB business confidence, Germany ZEW economic sentiment, ZEW current conditions, EU ZEW survey expectations, Canada housing starts, and US PPI, core PPI, Redbook. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.